5 applications of value engineering in a solar power plant project. Value engineering enhances solar power plant efficiency and reduces lifetime costs, ensuring sustainable long-term power generation. Solar plants convert sunlight to electricity using PV panels or mirrors, serving as reliable green energy sources in sunny regions. Design optimization in solar projects tailors layouts to local conditions and specific energy needs, avoiding generic overspecifications. Utilizing building information modeling, BIM, enables multiple design iterations virtually, saving time and costs during the development phase. Site orientation is crucial, optimizing panel layout for maximum sun exposure, thereby enhancing energy production efficiency. Material selection considers local environmental factors, optimizing components to reduce long-term operational costs and maintenance. Local sourcing of materials and labor reduces transport energy use and supports community involvement, aligning with sustainability goals. Value engineering in solar projects maximizes efficiency and output, crucial for combating global climate change and powering economies sustainably.